Hagfish, often referred to as slime eels, are deep-sea marine creatures known for their remarkable ability to produce copious amounts of slime as a defense mechanism. This slime, which can be generated in liters within seconds, serves to deter predators by clogging their gills or mouths, allowing the hagfish to escape while the attacker struggles. Below is a detailed explanation of how hagfish produce this slime, the mechanism behind its rapid deployment, and how it functions to thwart predators. Anatomy of hagfish slime. Production hagfish possess specialized organs called slime glands, which are located along the length of their bodies, primarily on the ventral and lateral surfaces. These glands are responsible for producing and storing the components of the slime. Each slime gland has a small pore on the skin surface through which the slime is expelled. The slime is composed of two main components stored within the glands: mucin vesicles. These are small packets containing mucin, a protein-based substance that forms the gel-like matrix of the slime when mixed with water. Thread cells, or skeins. These are tightly coiled protein threads resembling microscopic balls of yarn, which unravel upon release to provide structural reinforcement to the slime. These components are stored in a concentrated form within the slime glands, suspended in a small amount of fluid. The glands are lined with muscle cells that enable the rapid expulsion of these materials when the hagfish is threatened. Mechanism of slime production. When a hagfish is attacked or physically stressed, e.g. bitten or grabbed by a predator, the following sequence of events occurs. Muscle contraction. The muscles surrounding the slime glands contract, forcing the mucin vesicles and thread cells out through the gland pores. Interaction with seawater. Upon contact with seawater, the mucin vesicles rupture, releasing mucin proteins that rapidly absorb water and swell to form a gel-like matrix. This process is almost instantaneous due to the high water-absorbing capacity of mucins, which are hydrophilic water-attracting molecules. Thread unraveling. Simultaneously, the thread cells, which are ejected as tightly coiled structures, unravel into long, strong protein fibers, up to 15 centimeters in length. These threads, made of a protein similar to keratin, provide tensile strength and elasticity to the slime, preventing it from dissipating in the water. Volume expansion. The combination of mucin gel and protein threads creates a highly viscous, cohesive slime that can expand to thousands of times its original volume. A single hagfish can produce liters of slime from just milliliters of gland secretions, with estimates suggesting up to 5 to 10 liters in a matter of seconds. The slime's production is highly efficient because the hagfish stores the slime components in a concentrated, dehydrated form, relying on seawater to activate and expand the slime upon release. This allows the hagfish to produce a large volume of slime without needing to store it in its body, which would be energetically costly and impractical. How the slime functions as a defense. The slime's primary role is to deter predators such as sharks, bony fish, or crabs by physically interfering with their ability to breathe or move effectively. Here's how it works. Gill clogging. For gill-breathing predators like fish, the slime is particularly effective. When a predator bites or attempts to swallow a hagfish, the slime is released directly into the predator's mouth or gill chamber. The viscous, fibrous nature of the slime clogs the gills, coating the delicate respiratory surfaces and preventing water flow, which is essential for oxygen exchange. This can cause the predator to choke or suffocate, forcing it to release the hagfish and focus on clearing its gills. Physical barrier. The slime forms a dense, sticky cloud in the water, creating a physical barrier that makes it difficult for the predator to pursue the hagfish. The threads within the slime can entangle the predator's mouth or body, further hindering its ability to attack. Distraction and escape. While the predator struggles with the slime, the hagfish uses the opportunity to escape. Hagfish are highly flexible and can wriggle free from a predator's grasp, often tying themselves into knots to gain leverage and slip away. Unique properties of hagfish slime. Hagfish slime is remarkable for its unique physical and chemical properties, viscosity and cohesion. The slime is both highly viscous and cohesive, allowing it to form a thick, gel-like mass that doesn't easily disperse in water. This is due to the mucin's ability to form a hydrated network reinforced by the protein threads. Rapid formation. The slime forms almost instantly upon contact with water, a critical feature for a defense mechanism that needs to act quickly to deter predators. Biodegradability. The slime naturally breaks down over time in seawater, ensuring that it doesn't permanently clog the environment or the hagfish's own body. Low energy cost. Producing slime is energetically efficient because the hagfish doesn't need to synthesize large volumes of material. Instead, it relies on seawater to expand the small amount of stored mucin and threads. Ecological and evolutionary significance. The slime defense mechanism is a key adaptation that has allowed hagfish to survive for over 300 million years, making them one of the oldest living vertebrate lineages. As bottom-dwelling scavengers, hagfish often encounter predators in their deep-sea habitats, and the slime provides a reliable means of escaping predation without requiring speed or strength. The slime also has secondary uses. For example, hagfish may use it to deter competitors when feeding on carrion, as the slime can make it difficult for other scavengers to access the food. Additionally, the slime may help hagfish navigate tight spaces or escape from burrows by reducing friction. Additional notes. A quantity of slime. A single hagfish, depending on its size, typically 2,100 centimeters in length, can produce several liters of slime in a single burst. This is facilitated by the large number of slime glands, up to 100 pairs, along its body. Regeneration. Hagfish can regenerate their slime supplies relatively quickly, allowing them to use this defense multiple times if needed. The glands continuously produce new mucin vesicles and thread cells. Scientific interest. Hagfish slime has attracted attention from researchers due to its unique properties. The protein threads, for instance, are incredibly strong and elastic, inspiring studies into potential applications in biomaterials such as synthetic fibers or gels. Conclusion. Hagfish produce liters of slime in seconds through the rapid expulsion of mucin vesicles and thread cells from specialized slime glands, which expand dramatically upon contact with seawater. This slime serves as a highly effective defense mechanism, clogging predators' gills or mouths, and creating a physical barrier that allows the hagfish to escape. The combination of mucin's water-absorbing properties and the structural reinforcement of protein threads results in a viscous, cohesive slime that is both instantaneous and efficient. This remarkable adaptation underscores the hagfish's evolutionary success and continues to fascinate scientists studying its biomechanical and ecological roles.